Guys, it's Miss Athos. We are working on a new assignment where we need to create a new document. So I'm going to show you how to create a document in Photoshop. After you open the program, you're going to go up to your menu at the very top, go to File, and then New. So when it popped up on my other screen, when you get into Photoshop, it's going to have a lot of preset settings in here that you can choose. But we are just going to go in and create a custom size. And for this particular assignment, we're going to make it 9.5 inches wide and 4.75 tall. I'm going to change my resolution to 300 pixels per inch, and I'm going to click Create. For some reason, it keeps popping up on my other monitor, so I'm going to mount it here. When I see the blue, you can see that. And I am going to zoom out so you can see the whole file. So you can see for this assignment, it's a rectangular shape. For this assignment, I also have you doing other steps. But this is how you create a new file. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.